BYD Sea Lion 07DM, I announced. In addition to the 5th generation DM technology, the new car will also feature laser radar and urban NOA support. In addition, BYD's latest model drone is also carried for the first time. Sea Lion 07DM, I is based on the ocean aesthetics design concept. The overall design is simple and capable. At the front of the vehicle, there is an embracing transition-type light group and a trapezoidal air intake grille at the bottom. When looking at the body dimensions of the new car, the length, width and height values are stated as 4880/1920/1940 mm, and the wheelbase is 2820 mm. The new car creates a good sense of power by using many line cuts on the body side. The shoulder line extending upwards and the simple, strong double waist design further increase the sense of speed. The rear of the car has a simple style, and the transitional taillights feature classic ocean drop elements. The shape is slim and full of tension. The two silver decorative pieces on the rear bumper and the front bumper bar create a reverberating effect from front to back. It is worth mentioning that the DMP model has the 4.9S logo on the tail. The Sea Lion 07DMI, which has a laser radar on its roof, is expected to be equipped with the God's Eye Advanced Intelligent Driving Assistance System D-Pilot 300, which supports intelligent driving assistance systems suitable for all scenarios such as city navigation, high-speed navigation and automatic parking. It also has a roof drone cabin to further increase expandability. It will be equipped with BYD's 5th generation DM technology. The new car has two power versions, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. The 4-wheel drive version is called the 07DMP. This is the first appearance of the DMP model since the launch of the 5th generation DM technology. The 2-wheel drive single-motor version has 115 kilowatts of power, while the dual-motor version has a front motor with 200 kilowatts peak power and a rear motor with 150 kilowatts peak power. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.7 seconds.